Ryan Pro, the UK distributor for Renogy, and we're here exhibiting to show you their new products.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Right now, right now. Get it right now, right now. Right now. Get it right now. Right now, right now. Get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now.
This is our Renogy IoT system. It's a smart hub and it's the brains of the system. It will Bluetooth connect to any Renogy device. It will give you all of your battery monitoring, DC charge monitoring and solar monitoring. This is our eIoT system. There are 3 points of connection: Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and CAN bus, and it can integrate with the smart distribution unit, which controls the circuits on the system, and will connect to also a larger screen to switch all those circuits on and off. The smart distribution system will do all of your circuits, the general circuits that you have in your van. It will do all your tank levels, and there are separate relay switches which you can use to switch anything on a 12-volt relay. This is our 50-amp DC-DC charger with MPPT built in. It's a compact unit, it saves space because it's 2-in-1. It has Bluetooth and CAN bus connections, and it's IP67 rated. This is the Renogy Smart Shunt. It's rated at 300 amps, Bluetooth connected to your phone or the 4-inch touchscreen, and it will monitor the current going in and out of your battery. Distribution box, you can use the touchscreen to switch all of the separate circuits. You've got a series of 10-amp fuses and a series of 20-amp fuses to decide which circuits you want to switch. You can use it to turn your inverter on and off. There is a separate inverter output, and you can turn your inverter on and off via the touch screen. It also has a temperature gauge, so you can have 2 temperature gauges, indoor, outdoor, whichever you need to use. The Renogy One Core system, this is the brain of the system. It will Bluetooth connect to any device, and it shows up just like on the mobile phone app. It will Wi-Fi onto a Wi-Fi router, and also enable, in order to enable, the Renogy One Core can connect to a Wi-Fi router by Wi-Fi, and it will enable you to remote monitor. So all you need to do is add this system, this screen, in order to remote monitor the whole system. You can then choose, if you want to have the distribution box and the touchscreen panel to go with that. The touchscreen panels will connect on Wi-Fi, and if you want to remote monitor everything, you connect this and this to the same Wi-Fi network, and then you can remote monitor the whole system. I believe the USP for our system is that it is one single BMS for the whole system. You don't have to have a different app for your accessories and a different app for each of your batteries. Everything will show up on here. Renogy has a single point of sale in the UK, a UK distributor, therefore a single point for any repairs and warranty. It's a whole system, so we will sell and support everything in the whole system: batteries, converters, inverters, chargers. Doesn't matter what you need and what system you need to have in your van, we can supply it. We can put a system in any vehicle or cabin, anything that's off-grid. We can design a system in order to do that. Yes, we are the UK distributor. We're based in Birmingham. We have dealers all over the country who can help you design a system.
So you can open this bag that we've been given from Renogy for helping them out with some little bits this weekend. It was really good to get to know them, but they give us this little, just a little bit of a goodie bag just whilst we were there, just as a little bit of a thank you. We've not yet looked inside it just because we've been super busy this past couple of days, but we're going to open it now. Are you opening it? Or am I?
Yeah, you can open it.
It's a lovely little bag, isn't it? It's like a cool bag.
Yeah.
Oh, so we've got a Renogy flask. Anyone that knows me knows that I like them.
Got Renege on the side of that. That looks pretty good.
Oh wow. And we've got a pan set.
Should we get it out to the net? So that is actually a cooler bag.
Yeah. It's really nice actually. Oh, it's all branded up and everything. Thank you so much.
Little pan set. Oh, it's got a kettle in it. Oh, oh wow. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Do you know where this kit will go?
In the Land Rover.
In the Land Rover.
As soon as we got that bit, I thought, right, that'll do his bacon and egg when he takes the Land Rover out on a boys' weekend. Oh, that's really, really kind of you. Thank you very much. We really enjoyed that.
So thank you to
working with
Renege
you.
for one, obviously asking us to help them out with some content media. We will be doing more with them in the coming future, so please look out for that. But yeah, it's a great thank you. We didn't expect it.
It's very kind of you. Thank you very much. We appreciate it.
Thank you guys.